Why are highlights worse than an all-over color? This is controversial, but here is my take. Highlights can create anything from sun-kissed to almost total blonde. People think it's safer because some hair stays natural, but let's look at how highlights are actually done. The first time, it's fine. The second time, you have to touch up the roots. A stylist isn't a robot. It's physically impossible to pick the exact same tiny strands every single time, especially when working fast. You end up with a checkerboard effect. Dark spot, light spot, dark spot. To fix this, many stylists just take bleach and swipe over the whole section without separating the previously lightened bits. And yes, the dark spots get light, but the light spots get damaged again. If your hair is lucky, it survives 2 rounds. The third round, it usually snaps. Compare that to total blonde. You do the hard work once, and after that, you only touch up the root once a month. As long as you don't overlap onto the old blonde, the hair stays healthy. And if we are talking about hair that is naturally a level 5 or 6, using a high lift color instead of bleach is even better. Even on a high developer, your hair stays softer, breaks less, and you can actually keep your length. If you want to know more about hair, subscribe, like, and ask questions. This was One Paradox. See you in the next one.